farmers getting food lane certification kasi it helped daw during the pandemic at nakita nila na hindi sila sinisita during the window hours. So, yun siguro. And then of course, yung support pa rin natin doon sa mga farmers needing assistance in terms of our katiwat tax. Pero so far naman, wala naman ako nakikita based dun sa data na minomonitor natin ng shortage.
In terms of prices po,
But usual, ang trend natin ay about February, March, medyo bumababa yung presyo. So, and ine-expect natin yan kasi pagka umulan at bumagyo, after that, lahat ng mga farmers sabay-sabay na nagtatanim. So, yun. Yun ang isang pag madami ang supply, syempre, it will affect yung prices.
ma'am, mai-connect ko lang dun sa last na uwan. Wala po ba tayong na-damage na mag-a-affect sa supply?
Of course, yung initial na effect would be yung kung napansin natin yung presyo nitong past month, medyo mataas, di ba? But now, nag-stabilize. But for uwan, we expect na in January, February, marami na naman tayong production. Of course, doon sa mga areas na hindi na-damage, tuloy-tuloy pa rin or yung mga nakapag-rejuvenate after the uwan. And in relation to that, we're waiting for our funding for Quick Response Fund na naapektuhan nung Crising hanggang Paulo. So hoping that they will release this December so that ma-proceed na namin yung bidding process niya and will continue to provide interventions as early as January or February. Yan ang target natin. Of course, meron pa ho kaming nabigay last year na fund which is in the amount of I think 40 million pesos na nabigay or currently na binibigay natin doon sa mga affected. So kasi ganun naman hindi naman agad-agad ibibigay, may time frame siya. So for example, for uwan, we'll still be requesting kasi hindi pa naman po tapos yung lahat ng ating reports niyan, but we're allowed to actually request the fund until first quarter of next year for uwan.
Ma'am, just to clarify po, sufficient ang supply natin ng mga gulay for the holiday seasons because
Yes, naman.
hindi na sira ng uwan?
Hindi, may mga portion na nasira at may mga na-rejuvenate naman, yung mga iba naman, continuously na natin.